Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be discussing the top 15 people foods that you should avoid feeding your furry friends. From chocolate to onions, these foods may be tasty to us, but can be very dangerous and even deadly for your pets. Stay tuned to learn which foods to keep away from your pet's plate and how to keep them safe and healthy. Number 1. Chocolate, coffee, and caffeine. It's important to note that chocolate, coffee, and anything with caffeine have a chemical called methylxanthines, which have a detrimental effect on pets if ingested. Some of these symptoms include vomiting and diarrhea, excessive panting and thirst, increased urination, hyperactivity, abnormal heart rhythms, tremors, seizures, and in severe cases, even death. It is worth noting that darker chocolate contains higher levels of methylxanthines, making it more dangerous for pets compared to milk chocolate. Last but not least, white chocolate has the lowest levels of methylxanthines, and baking chocolate contains the highest, making baker's chocolate the most dangerous. It is crucial to be aware of these potential risks and take necessary precautions to keep your pets safe. Number 2. Any type of alcohol. Pets, especially dogs and cats, are much smaller than humans and therefore have a much lower tolerance for alcohol. Consuming even small amounts of alcohol can lead to symptoms such as vomiting, diarrhea, disorientation, lack of coordination, difficulty breathing, coma, and death. Alcohol can also cause a drop in blood sugar, which can be particularly dangerous for pets with diabetes. Alcohol can also damage the liver and kidneys of pets, leading to long-term health problems. It is very important to keep all forms of alcohol, including beer, wine, and hard spirits, out of the reach of pets, and to seek immediate veterinary care if you suspect your pet has consumed any type of alcohol. Number 3. Avocado. Avocados are not safe for pets because they contain persin, a fungicidal toxin that can cause vomiting and diarrhea in animals. Persin can also cause serious health issues such as fluid accumulation in the chest, abdomen, and heart, leading to difficulty breathing, coughing, and even death in severe cases. This is especially true for birds, which are way more sensitive to persin than average animals. Dogs and cats may be less affected, but it's still not recommended to feed them with any type of avocado. It's best to keep avocados and avocado-containing products such as guacamole away from pets and to consult a veterinarian if you suspect your pet has consumed any. Leave that spread to you and your human family. Number 4. Grapes and raisins. Even small amounts of grapes or raisins can cause kidney failure in dogs and cats. This does not affect every type of animal, so do your research before feeding your pet grapes or raisins. The interesting thing is the exact toxin responsible for this reaction is not known, and it is not clear why some dogs and cats are affected while others are not. The symptoms can appear within a few hours of ingesting grapes or raisins and can include vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and dehydration. Ingestion of grapes or raisins can lead to acute kidney failure, which is characterized by a sudden onset of severe kidney damage. If left untreated, this can be fatal. It's important to keep grapes and raisins away from pets and to seek immediate veterinary care if you suspect your pet has consumed grapes or raisins of any kind, even in grandma's cookies. It is also important to note that any product containing grapes or raisins should also be kept away from pets. This includes items such as trail mix, baked goods, and some types of wine. Number 5. Onion and garlic. Onions and garlic are not safe for pets to eat because they contain compounds that can damage their red blood cells, leading to a condition called hemolytic anemia. The compounds responsible for this are called N-propyl disulfide in onions and allicin in garlic. The damage can occur whether the onion or garlic is cooked, raw, or even in powder form. Symptoms of onion and garlic toxicity in pets can include vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and in severe cases, difficulty breathing, weakness, and collapse. The other bad thing is hemolytic anemia can take several days to develop, and the symptoms might not appear immediately after the ingestion, making it difficult to diagnose. Once the symptoms appear, the damage to the red blood cells is irreversible and can be fatal if left untreated. It's very important to keep onions and garlic, as well as any products containing these ingredients, far away from pets and to seek immediate veterinary care if you suspect your pet has consumed them. Number 6. Yeast dough. Yeast dough is not safe due to the fact that when it rises, it can expand in the animal's stomach and cause severe abdominal pain, bloating, and even life-threatening torsion, or twisted stomach. On top of this, as the yeast ferments the sugar in the dough, it produces carbon dioxide gas and, even worse, alcohol. If a pet has ingested raw yeast dough, the yeast will continue to ferment in the warm, moist environment of the stomach, causing the dough to expand. This is what causes the stomach to twist or rupture, leading to severe pain, shock, and death. If you make your own dough, it might be best to leave it in an oven rather than on a counter to prevent any accidents from curious, hungry doggos. Number 7. Uncooked or undercooked meat. Undercooked or raw meat is not good for pets to eat because it can contain harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli that can cause food poisoning. These bacteria are destroyed by cooking the meat to the appropriate temperature, but if the meat is undercooked, they can survive and cause an infection when ingested. Symptoms of food poisoning in pets can include vomiting, diarrhea, abdominal pain, and fever. In severe cases, it can lead to dehydration, blood poisoning or sepsis, and even death. On top of this, undercooked meat may also contain parasites such as the Toxoplasma gondii, which can cause serious health problems, especially in kitty cats. These parasites can cause eye problems, neurological issues, and even death. It's important to feed pets properly cooked meat to ensure that all harmful bacteria are eliminated and to prevent the risk of any type of food poisoning. Number 8. Undercooked eggs. Just like undercooked and raw meat, eggs can also contain harmful bacteria such as Salmonella and E. coli and can cause distress to your furry friend. Raw eggs also contain an enzyme called avidin, which can interfere with the absorption of biotin, a B vitamin, leading to skin and coat problems as well as other issues such as dry eyes, poor wound healing, and reproductive problems. It's important to feed pets properly cooked eggs that are cooked until both the yolk and white are firm. This will help eliminate any risk and to ensure the safety of your pet. Number 9. Macadamia nuts. Macadamia nuts are not good for pets to eat because they can cause toxic reactions in your pets. Macadamia nuts contain an unknown toxic substance that can cause vomiting, hyperthermia or elevated body temperature, tremors, and in severe cases, muscle stiffness and difficulty walking. These symptoms usually appear within 12 hours of ingestion and can last for up to 48 hours. The exact mechanism of toxicity is not fully understood, but it is believed that the toxic substance affects the muscles and the nervous system of your animal. It is extremely important to keep macadamia nuts and any products containing them such as cookies, trail mix, and chocolate-covered macadamia nuts away from pets and to seek immediate veterinary care if you suspect your pet has consumed any of these. Even a small amount of macadamia nuts can be dangerous to dogs and cats, and it is best to err on the side of caution when it comes to the safety of your furry buddy. Some animals, such as rats, are able to eat these nuts just fine, but if you own a dog or cat, it would be best to keep them out of reach. Never trust the dog. Number 10. Other types of nuts. Speaking of nuts, not all nuts are bad for pets to eat, but some can be harmful in certain circumstances. As we just talked about, macadamia nuts can be toxic for your dog and cat. Other nuts like almonds, walnuts, pecans, and pistachios, while not toxic, are high in fat and can cause upset stomach, pancreatitis, and other health issues if consumed in large amounts. Additionally, some nuts like almonds and walnuts have a hard, thick shell that can be difficult for pets to digest and can cause intestinal blockages, or even a chipped tooth. It's best to just keep nuts in general away from your pets, and if you're going to feed them nuts, please keep it to a minimum or talk to your veterinarian for further advice. Number 11. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, limes, and grapefruits are not good for pets to eat because they contain citric acid and essential oils that can be toxic for them. These substances can cause vomiting, diarrhea, and other digestive issues. The essential oils found in citrus fruits can cause respiratory distress, central nervous system depression, and even liver damage in certain animals such as dogs and cats. The peel, leaves, and seeds of citrus fruits are especially dangerous as they contain higher concentration of these toxic compounds, so it's important to keep your pets away from them at all costs. It's also important to note that citrus-based products such as orange juice, lemonade, and grapefruit juice can also be harmful to pets and should be avoided. Number 12. Xylitol. Xylitol is a sugar substitute that is commonly used in sugar-free gums, candies, baked goods, and some medications. These are unsafe for your pets because xylitol can cause a rapid release of insulin, leading to hypoglycemia or low blood sugar. This can cause vomiting, loss of coordination, seizures, and even liver failure. The symptoms of xylitol toxicity can appear within 30 minutes to 12 hours after ingestion and can be life-threatening if left untreated. Dogs are particularly sensitive to xylitol, even in small doses, and can cause severe hypoglycemia that can be fatal if untreated. Cats, being less likely to eat sweet things, are less affected by xylitol, but still it's not recommended to give them any of this substance. It's important to keep products containing xylitol out of reach of pets and to seek immediate veterinary care if you suspect your pet has consumed xylitol in any capacity. Number 13. Salty snack foods. Salty snack foods such as potato chips, pretzels, and popcorn are not a good snack choice for pets because they can cause excessive thirst and urination, as well as high blood pressure, which can lead to serious health issues such as heart disease, kidney disease, and electrolyte imbalances. Salt is also known to cause stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea in pets if consumed in large amounts. The high fat content in many salty snack foods can also cause pancreatitis and other health problems. It's important to limit your pet's intake of salty snack foods and to provide them with a well-balanced diet that meets their nutritional needs. High salt intake over time can lead to serious health problems for your pet, so it's best to avoid giving them salty snacks or to give them very small amounts over time. Number 14. Milk and dairy. It is not recommended to feed pets milk and dairy products because many of them are lactose intolerant, meaning they lack the enzyme lactase, which is necessary to break down lactose sugar found in milk and dairy products. This can cause symptoms such as diarrhea, gas, and abdominal discomfort. Milk and dairy products can cause an upset stomach, diarrhea, and other digestive issues in pets, particularly those who are sensitive to lactose. Some pets may also have an allergic reaction to milk and dairy products, which can cause skin irritation, itching, and other allergic symptoms. It's important to note that while some pets may be able to tolerate small amounts of milk or dairy products, it's best to consult with a veterinarian before introducing any new foods, including milk and dairy products, to your pet's diet. Number 15. Coconut and coconut oils. Consuming small amounts of coconut or coconut-based products may not pose significant harm to your pet. However, the oils present in the flesh and milk of fresh coconuts may cause digestive issues such as upset stomach, diarrhea, and loose stools. It is important to exercise caution when offering these foods to your pets. Additionally, coconut water contains high levels of potassium and should not be given to pets. Thanks for watching. We hope this video has helped you understand the importance of being careful with the foods you are giving to your pets. Remember, just because a food is safe for humans to eat doesn't mean it's safe for your furry friends. On another note, this video was made specifically for cats and dogs. Many animals, such as rats, may be able to eat some of these foods without any issues. Again, it's best to consult a veterinarian before introducing any new foods to your pet's diet, no matter what species they are. Thanks a lot for watching my videos. Make sure to boop that like button, comment, and subscribe. Maybe you'll like some of the videos shown on your screen. Thanks a lot for watching, and stay tuned for the next episode. We'll see you later.